Friends, welcome back to my new video fans and my YouTube channel fans. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys OTG connection setting fans. In this video fans I will show you guys how can you enable your OTG connection fans. You want to enable your OTG connection in your Tecno phone, so friends you can enable it. So friends, you want to enable your OTG connection, friends you can enable in your Tecno phone. Guys, now let's see how to enable. Friends, open your phone setting to enable guys your OTG connections. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So guys click on guys this more connection settings and friends you can see scroll OTG connection. So guys when you use pen drive and guys it OTG and guys it do not work, so guys you will have to turn on from here, means enable it. After enable guys you can use guys your OTG connection, and guys without any problem guys you can use your OTG connection. After that guys you have any problem in an OTG connection setting, so you can ask me in comment section guys, I will check, I will help you. So like that guys you can enable your OTG connection in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.